Okay, now what exactly we are doing? We are searching to the Tomcat. Okay, how we can search? I already said that in our Word file, you can able to see download Tomcat link. I like that link name is what? HTTPS tomcatapache.org. Okay, that only, and you can go to the download section. Okay, download 90 CGI. Okay, that exactly. If you cannot able to go like that, you can click over here in the search engine. Just search over here Tomcat. Okay, see Tomcat. I'm searching Tomcat. Okay, just search to the Tomcat, and after later just scroll down little bit down and see over here Apache Tomcat HTTP Tomcat apache.org. Okay, this is the welcoming page. I'm going inside of the welcome page, and even after when you are going to the welcoming page, you can see over here is versions are available. See download version, which version you want to be installed. I want to be install the 9 version. Why? Because it's a very comfortable. Even your Tomcat also suggesting use to the Tomcat 9, because lot of dependencies are dependencies are available on your Tomcat 9 version. But if suppose if you want to use 11 10 also, it will be work perfectly, but it's in under development, or we can say it's a new one. Okay, it's based on if is it working or not working is upon to that. If suppose 9 is not working perfectly, use to the 10. If suppose 10 is not working perfectly, then use to the 11. Okay, that is doesn't matter. Now, after letter, what happened? Simply, I want to be a click over here. Which kind of version I want to be download? I want to be download 9 version. And after down, how much bit you want to be download? My computer is based on the 64 bit. Sir, how I can understand my computer is how much bit? Simple, go to your file explorer. Okay, this is my file explorer I have. I'm going to click on this PC. Okay, now right click over here in the middle. Okay, and then just go to the click on the properties. Okay, I click on the properties. Now one your Windows settings will be open, and you can see over here a system type. My operating system is how much bit? My operating system is the 64 bit I have. That's why I want to be install 64 bit purpose. If your one is the 32 bit, then you can able to use to the 32 bit purpose. Okay, now I'm closing that. I'm going to be minimize this, and I want to be install 9.0 version, which one is for the 64-bit purpose. Okay, just click over here and you can see installation is the started. My one is already installed. That's why I want to be a stop. You can see I already installed the previously. That's why I stop over here. I'm going back again to my file explorer. I'm going to in the download section. Okay, this is the two. Let me delete it the right now one. Okay, this is I have to the second one. Okay, let me delete it that. Okay, so basically I skip that particular uninstallation. Okay, sorry, the deleting. So this is you can see I have over here my Apache Tomcat is ready. Now what happened? I want to be fetch this where inside of my Eclipse. Okay, inside of my Eclipse. Wait little bit. I have little bit disturbance. Let me pause the video. Okay, sorry for little bit disturbance. Okay, now again I'm coming back to my Eclipse. Okay, now see guys, many times you cannot able to see down over here servers. So many times what happened by mistakenly students are closing this server as a one kind of tab are down, right? They are closing that. So sir, I cannot able to see the servers. So how I can bring that? Simply, we need to go to the our Windows. After letter, we have option over here, show view. And in that show view, see over here, we have to the servers. Just click over here in the server. You can able to see the server. Now inside of your server tab, see down, we can see this blue link, or we can say this is the hyperlink are present. What they are rotated in that hyperlink? No servers are available. Click this link to create a new server. Basically, servers are not available. We need to set up our Tomcat. Just what happened? We need to be a click over here. Okay, after letter after letter this dialog box will be a come. That dialog box what exactly the saying? Define a new server. Now what happened? I want to be a defined server. I have my Apache server are present. I am using drop down menu, and see there are a lot of versions are available. So you need to select your exact version. How I can understand which version I am using? Go back to your file explorer and go to download folder and check that which version we are installing. See, this is my version Apache Tomcat 9.0, right? So basically I want to use to the 9 series. Okay, means I want to use to the 9 version. I'm going back again my Eclipse and I'm selecting, just let me scroll down a little bit. Okay, let me scroll down a little bit. See over here, Tomcat version 9. Okay, I'm selecting this. After, don't select anything. Okay, just say to the next. Okay, and after later select where exactly you put it, that particular Apache zip folder. Okay, now over here we forgot one thing, that is called, what happened, we need to go to the back our your download folder. You need to go back your download folder. We need to be extract that, right? Because this is right now zip format, right? So we are going in this over here, right click, I want to say extract all. Okay, just let me say I want to be extract over here, extracting all. Okay, this is extraction process is going on. Okay, extraction done. Let me show you where exactly is this. See, this is my previous one and this is my extraction one. But even if you can go inside, the main folder is this one. This is not your main folder. Okay, this is not main folder. If you can go into the download, this is not your main folder. We need to go inside and see after letter inside we have to the files. Means your main folder is what? Your main folder name is Apache Tomcat 9. Not your main folder name is Apache Windows X 64-bit. Okay, your main folder is inside of that. So I'm taking this one. I want to be a cut and I'm going to be a paste inside properly in the download folder. You can see right now this one is come. Right now inside I don't have anything because I cut from over there to inside of my download folder. Now you can delete also the previous file if you don't want. Okay, right now I have only the one main file, Apache Tomcat 9.0. I extract that folder and see inside of the extraction, means inside of my folder properly, I have to the files are present. Now, when you done the extraction, now you can go back again to the process, which one we are doing right now. If you still confused, let me say that how we are going to do that. Okay, this is right now, suppose I even don't have to the servers and anything is present over here. First, I want to click in the Windows. After later, I want to be bring that servers to the down. So how we can bring? We need to click on the Windows. After later, I want to say over here, show view and see over here servers are present. Okay, now this is the blue link I have where they wrote it no servers are available. Click this link to create a new server. So I'm just clicking over here. I'm selecting which Apache server I want. See, I clicked it in the Apache folder and after later scroll down and see I want to use to the 9.0. Now just say next. Okay, and after say the okay, just say next. After say I want to be Apache 9. Okay, next and finish. Okay, you can see over here Apache Tomcat 9 is right now selected. Okay, now after when it's done, when it's settled everything, now what we need to do? Okay, if you can see that right now, if you can go to the Google Chrome, I want to check that is it my Apache working or not. I'm going Google Chrome. Okay, we already have the Google Chrome, so we do not need to open again back. See over here, I'm going in the Google Chrome. Let me erase this thing. Okay, let me close these tabs. Right now I'm searching over here localhost, okay, 8080. Don't forget in middle between your dot also. See, I'm searching what they are saying. This site cannot be rich, right? Means our local host is not set yet. So how we can do? Just minimize again back. Okay, this is your Tomcat is ready. Now after this is the, it's a stop. I want to start my Apache. Okay, so what exactly I want to do? I am before you are starting, we need to double click on your Tomcat. Okay, and we need to change some settings. What setting we need to change? See over here, we say that use workspace metadata. I don't want to use that. I want to use what? Use my Tomcat installation. Take control of the Tomcat installation. Means right now, everything whenever we are going to the server, I want to use my Tomcat only. Okay, so I'm using my Tomcat, and after see over here one star is coming. Star means what happened exactly? We did the changes in the file, right? So that's why they are saying save this file. So I'm going to the file section and after over here save button. So see when I'm going to the save, there is a star is went, right? No more star is there. Now after later you can close this, and after that what happened? Just right click over here and say I want to be a start my Apache. Okay, so I'm going to be a start right now, sir. But this is the error is coming. How we can tackle this error? Just simply okay, stop this. Okay, just go over here again back in the services. Okay, after double click again back, double click. Okay, I want to be a select this one again, Apache. Okay, use